Introducing the revolutionary DJI Mic 2, the ultimate microphone and audio recording system for creators on the move. Up your game with this simple all-in-one system that's easier to use than ever before. The instant you open the case, your mic is linked and ready. DJI Mic 2 is compatible across multiple devices, even Bluetooth. Because we love options.
Check, 1, 2. Good morning, riders.
DJI Mic 2 captures crystal clear audio with its intelligently designed microphones.
Great job, guys. Double time.
我们今天来公园玩无人机啦
And you mix that in, you get strawberry lemonade.
With 32-bit float internal recording, you don't have to worry about distortion. So if things get loud,
Whoa! Let's go!
DJI Mic 2 has your back with a full-range recording.
Whoa! Let's go!
And with built-in intelligent noise canceling, you'll never miss a word.
就是这么简单
When you're ready to go live, the 18-hour battery life is perfect for long-duration recording. The wireless transmission range opens up possibilities for endless creativity. And when you encounter an unexpected moment, use the standalone transmitter recording with one click for up to 14 hours of high-quality audio. So whether it's capturing incredible moments on the go or creating magic right here, make sure you're always ready with DJI Mic 2, your pocket-sized pro-level audio recording companion.